Hey, wake up, sleepy. Hey, wake up, sleepy. Get your fingers out of your nose and onto the gamepad. Hey, you gotta click the correct answer, sleepy. Get your fingers out of your nose and onto the mouse. Hey, you gotta press left or right to select the correct answer, sleepy. Get your fingers out of your nose and onto the remote. Hey, you gotta tap the correct answer, sleepy. Get your fingers out of your nose and onto the screen. You only got 2 more lives, which means 12 more chances. I got 9 lives like a normal cat. Well, there's a reason they don't call me Lucky Cat. Let's get our heads in the game, because if you don't, I might lose mine. Oh boy, here I come. You're not done yet. You have to make it to that display room. Why do you care if I rob that museum? That's just my way. Now get back down there and try again. I swear to me, it will be a completely different experience this time. Oh, before you go, take this music. What the? Sorry, Cat. I can't let you go that easy. Good boy. Oh, you million. That was a bit dramatic, wasn't it? That's disgusting. That's delicious. Hey, dummy, I'm stuck. You gotta push again. Keep going. I'm almost there. You're disgusting, you know that? You know what? What? I don't like you. Oh. Hey, I think this is my opinion. That's enough culture for me for one night. If anybody's looking for me, I'll be in the trash. Way to go, Slappy. Now you just got one more